Hey there, beauty lovers! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in beauty products. If you're someone who's always on the hunt for a game-changing mascara primer, then today's review might just be your new holy grail. Let me introduce you to the Covergirl Lash Blast Amplify Eyelash Primer. Whether you're looking to pump up the volume or extend the length of your lashes, this product promises to do it all. But does it really live up to the hype? Stick around to find out, and if you enjoy the review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future beauty tips and tricks. Now let's get into the details. The Covergirl Lash Blast Amplify Eyelash Primer comes in a sleek, easy-to-handle tube with a neutral white shade. It's designed to maximize the look of your favorite mascara by coating your lashes from root to tip, giving them a thicker and longer appearance. The creamy, lightweight formula glides on smoothly, ensuring each lash gets a good coat without clumping. The key ingredients, argan, jojoba, and coconut oils, aren't just for show either. These nourishing oils work to strengthen and condition your lashes with every use, helping them look healthier in the long run. So, how did it perform in real life? I tested it with a few different mascaras to see how well it could amplify my lashes. The formula goes on smoothly, and I love how easily it builds up on my lashes without any noticeable clumps or flakes. When paired with mascara, my lashes instantly look thicker and more defined, and the length was noticeably improved. Talk about a lash boost. I found that it worked really well in the morning routine, creating a solid base for my mascara. The creamy consistency made it super easy to apply, and there was no tugging at my lashes like I've experienced with some other primers. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, this primer definitely gives lashes that instant amplification. It nourishes lashes too, which is a big win for me since I'm always on the lookout for products that improve lash health over time. The creamy texture makes it easy to apply, and it doesn't weigh down lashes. However, if I'm being honest, one thing I didn't love was that the white color of the primer could sometimes be a little tricky to fully cover up with mascara, especially if I wasn't careful with the application. When it comes to value for money, this primer comes in at a reasonable price point considering the ingredients and performance. With nourishing oils like argan and jojoba, it offers both beauty and care for your lashes. You're definitely getting your money's worth, especially since it helps improve the overall appearance and health of your lashes. In terms of comparisons, there are a few lash primers on the market, but CoverGirl's formula really stands out for being both affordable and effective. Some other high-end brands may charge a bit more for similar results, so this one is a great budget-friendly option for those looking to amplify their lashes without breaking the bank. As for build quality, the packaging is simple and functional, with the creamy formula staying intact throughout use. I haven't noticed any issues with the product drying out, which is always a plus when you're using something that's supposed to last you for a while. Now, if you're considering alternatives, I would suggest looking at primers from brands like L'Oreal or Maybelline. They have comparable formulations with nourishing ingredients like vitamin E and oils that also work well to condition lashes. But if you're in the market for something that won't break the bank and is still highly effective, CoverGirl is a solid choice. To wrap things up, the CoverGirl Lash Blast Amplify Eyelash Primer does exactly what it promises. It boosts your lashes from root to tip, making them appear thicker, longer, and healthier. It's a solid product with nourishing ingredients, and it's super easy to incorporate into your beauty routine. I would definitely recommend it for anyone looking to step up their mascara game. Whether you're a lash newbie or a seasoned pro, this primer is a great way to elevate your lash look. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to check out the link in the description box if you're ready to get your hands on it. If you've used this primer, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.